In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Wallpaper. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, launch it and mute the music by hitting bottom left corner. Then select Consent, and to access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner. Adjust all of those however you want to, and go back by clicking on the top right corner here. To continue, select bottom right corner, hit Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Yes, tap Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!